Clearance weight. Punch. Give the clearance from that side. You give the clearance from this side.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Come on.